If you're like me, you are probably really busy, but you still want to get great nutrition into your body and you don't want to spend all your time in the kitchen. So this is something that I utilize every single day, and it takes me about a minute to prepare it and maybe 10 seconds to do the cleanup. I like to have one green shake a day that has all the good stuff. So today I'm going to have Power Shake. I'm going to throw in some Matcha Protein as well as some Kamut and Green Spectrum. I throw in Gut Support. This particular Gut Support removes heavy metals and things like glyphosate from your gut. It also acts as a pre and a probiotic. And then I like to add in Mineral Support, a tincture to help decalcify the pineal gland, and hormonal support for women as well. It is such an easy shake to make. I love juicing, but it is time consuming, so this is a great way to optimize nutrition. All I do is put 4 tablespoons of the Power Shake into the bottle. I like to add Matcha Protein to my shake. I do 1 to 2 tablespoons depending. I like to do about a tablespoon of the Kamut, and half a tablespoon of the Green Spectrum is what goes into my shake. And then I add in some Pineal Clear ionic elements and Meno Positive to make it really potent. And the thing is, one of these power shakes is the nutritional equivalent of 6 microgreen salads. So it would be impossible for me to eat that much nutrition. This is a great way for me to get lots of nutrients into my body very efficiently. And that's it. Blend and enjoy. No additives, no preservatives, no GMOs, no processed sugars. And the best thing is that the packaging is compostable. So when you're done with it, you can put it in your garden and it will actually break down and nourish the soil. This tastes so delicious. Their transformation is what helped me to get off thyroid medication that I had been on for 6 years. Cleanest nutrition you will find on the planet. Check the caption below so that you can utilize my 25% off gift card code. Here's to health. Thanks so much for being here. I hope that you are enjoying the content on this channel. If you have not already done so, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every single time a new piece of content goes up. There is new content that goes up every single week. If you're not already a part of my online community, go to my website, sign up for my newsletter so that you are in the know. On my newsletter, I'll be sharing all kinds of promos and discounts as they come up. To work with me, check out my monthly membership, Elevate, which is really focused on addressing parasites and the root causes of chronic illness within the body. If you are interested in holistic health and well-being, you have definitely landed in the right place. Thanks so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.